For this problem, we are asked to sketch two cycles of the graph, or two branches of the graph, of the equation y equal to a negative 1/4 tangent of 1/2 x plus pi over 3. In order to sketch this graph, we will look at its period and its phase shift. We will recognize that its period is given by the equation pi, because that's the original period for tangent, over b, which is 1/2, which gives us a period of 2 pi. Our phase shift is equal to the opposite of c over b, which is the opposite of pi over 3 divided by 1/2, which gives us the opposite of 2 pi over 3. We are now ready to find our one-cycle interval. To find that one-cycle interval in the location of the vertical asymptotes, we are going to look at solving the inequality negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. We want the values of 1/2 x plus pi over 3. Subtracting pi over 3 from both sides, pi over 2, which is equivalent to 3 pi over 6, minus 2 pi over 6 gives us a negative 5 pi over 6. Subtracting pi over 3, or 3 from pi over 2, or 3 pi over 6 minus 2 pi over 6 gives us pi over 6. We are now ready to multiply both sides by 2, giving us that interval of negative 5 pi over 3 to pi over 3. We will see that this is indeed 2 pi units. Another thing that we will notice is that our phase shift is a negative 2 pi over 3. Negative 2 pi over 3 would be taking that x-intercept of the original tangent function at 0, 0 and moving it to the left 2 pi over 3 units. Therefore, it should fall right in the middle of our vertical asymptotes. We can verify this by sketching the asymptotes and sketching our axes, negative pi over 3 to negative 5 pi over 3. And then we want to go 2 pi units in the opposite direction to get the second branch. We will know that 2 pi is equivalent to 6 pi over 3, so we will go over 6 pi's over 3 from the start and stop of our interval at pi over 3. Therefore, we will end the second interval at 7 pi over 3. So we have pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, which is pi, 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3, 6 pi over 3, which is 2 pi. We are now ready to sketch our graph of tangent. We will know that we have these vertical asymptotes at the start and stop of our, let me erase that one because it should be at pi over 3, not negative pi over 3. At the start and stop of our interval, we can see that we have these vertical asymptotes at pi over 3 plus every 2 pi units. We also know that halfway between negative 5 pi over 3 and pi over 3 are at a negative 2 pi over 3 gives us our x-intercept. Likewise, halfway between pi over 3 and 7 pi over 3, or 4 pi over 3, gives us our second x-intercept. We will now also recognize that our leading coefficient a is a negative value. Therefore, instead of having that increasing tangent function, it's being reflected. We know halfway between our interval of negative 2 pi over 3 and pi over 3, it's going to hit negative 1/4. And halfway between negative 2 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3, it will hit a positive 1/4, sketching one branch.